Alright, here's another integration video off of our second sheet, and this is going to be our homework problem number 8 that we're doing, and we're still just taking the integrals. So the equation is, they want us to integrate y cubed plus 1.8 y squared minus 2.4 y with respect to dy. Alright, so it looks a little crazy just because we actually have some decimals in there right now, but I mean, you just keep on plugging away doing the same thing with our, integrating x to the n. That's just, 1 over our n plus 1, x to the n plus 1. So it's nothing new, it's just in a little bit different form. So whenever we go to integrate that, we're going to have our 1 over our 3, which is the n, plus 1, y to the 3 plus 1, and it's going to be plus 1.8 over 2 plus 1 y to the 2 plus 1 minus our 2.4 over, and that's going to be y to the 1, so it's going to be 1 plus 1 y to the 1 plus 1, and just like before, since we've just taken the antiderivative, our dy goes away, and because it is an indefinite integral, we're going to have our plus constant right out here. So now, just go through and start cleaning it up a little bit. So we're going to have 1 over 4 y to the 4th plus 1.8 over 3 y to the 3rd minus our 2.4 over 2 y to the 2 and plus a constant. Alright, so since we can still clean that up even more, we're going to have 1 over 4 y to the 4th, and we're going to be doing our decimals here, so I mean, you could plug it in a calculator, or just know that say 1.8 divided by 3, which that is, that'll go in 1 0 times, so it's going to be 0. Our 8 comes down, and just move the decimal right up above that, so we're going to have 3 going into 18, that's going to be 6. So I mean, that's pretty easy. So that is going to be plus 0.6 y cubed minus, and the same thing, a 2 will go into 2 one time, point, and then 2 will go into 4 twice, or y squared plus a constant. And so this should be the answer that we get whenever we integrate y cubed plus 1.8 y squared minus 2.4 y with respect to dy. And why, not why, but why, like, because we're doing dy, and it's, just kind of funny, but why? Because it is so.